Hello everyone, this is Mike from Tall Duck Hosting, and today I have a tutorial on how to use the WordPress plugin NextGEN Gallery. So here I have a folder with 3 images in it, and to upload to NextGEN Gallery I recommend using a zip archive. So what we're going to do here, we're going to right click in our folder, and we're going to go down to New in our menu, and we're going to click Zip Archive. Yours might not say WinRAR Zip Archive, but that's just the software that I use. But create a zip archive, and you'll name it whatever you like. Here we're just going to name it something random. And now you're going to take the photos that you want to include in the archive and drag it on top of the icon to add it to the archive. Now we'll just open it to check and see that we got all the images that we want. Yep, we have all 3 there. So now we'll go over to the website, to the back end of our WordPress installation. Let's go over to the login. And we'll log in with our usual username and password. Now we're going to go to our gallery and then go to add gallery / images. Now since we want to add our photos to a completely new gallery, we'll first go to the Add New Gallery tab and we'll name it whatever we like. Here we're just going to call it Random as a test gallery. And now that we have our new gallery, we'll go over to the Upload a Zip File tab. We'll click Choose File. We'll go over to our desktop where our folder is. And we'll select our zip archive and press Open. Now you don't have to worry about this field here where it says Enter a Zip File URL because we're uploading. And now we'll choose our new gallery that we just created called Random. And we'll click Start Upload. Once it's uploaded, you'll see it start creating the new thumbnails. And then from there, you'll see a new yellow box above pop up that says Zip File Successfully Unpacked and 3 pictures successfully added. And now we'll click Edit Gallery. And here we'll want to resize our images. So we'll select all of them, and under Bulk Actions, we'll select Resize Images and press Apply. And then set the size you want, and then press OK. It'll go through and resize the images here. Once that is finished, we can then head over to our Album tab under the gallery. We'll just click our album link. And here, since we don't want to add our random photos to an album that we already have, we'll want to add a new one. So we'll type in random and click Add. Alright, so here's our new album. What we'll want to do now is grab our random gallery and just drag it over with our mouse. And then we'll click Update. And now we have the random gallery in the random album. So let's go over to our pages now so we can create a page for this album. We'll look at a page that we currently have that has the proper syntax for adding an album to the page. So once this loads here, you'll see that the proper syntax is the open square bracket, album ID equals the album ID that we grabbed from before, which is 6, and then the template you'd like. Here we're using extend. So we'll create a new page for this album. We'll just name it Random here. And once the permalink box pops up here, we're going to click Edit, and we're going to give it a better permalink. Since it's photos, we're going to set it to Photos, and we're actually going to use a dash, not a slash. We're going to do photos dash random, to keep it consistent with the rest of our site. As you saw, I made a little mistake there and just fixing it. Can't use a slash in a permalink. We'll just save that. And then here's where you check your syntax. Now you'll want album ID, the album number that you're working with, and then the template that you'd like to use. Here we're using the template extend. Then you press publish. Now you have the random page, but you'll want to make it so your users can access it more easily. So we'll go to the page here that we're using as a menu for our photos. We're just going to add a regular old link here with the insert link button, and we're going to link it to our new random page that we just created. Now this page should be right at the top since we just created it. Now we'll click add link, and you see here there is some styling on the other links on this page that isn't available without using the HTML editor. So we'll click on the HTML tab and add the H2 tags, the opening and closing tags, to this line of code here. Don't worry about that extra 0 that I accidentally put in there. You won't have to use that. Just the opening H2 and closing H2 tags. So now we'll go view our site, and we'll go to our photos page from the menu, and you'll see we have random there, and we have our new gallery. And those are the 3 images that we put in our zip archive, so it worked pretty well. And now, as you can see here, it's not in our flyout menu on our drop down, so we'll fix that right now. So we'll go under Appearance and then Menus. Then here you can see where our other photo pages are linked. So we'll add our random page in, click Add to Menu, and it will be at the bottom of our menu section, so we'll put it with the rest of our photo pages. Now we'll save our menu, and the changes should reflect on the site. So let's go over and view the new site, or not the new site, the newly edited site, and then go to Photos, and there we go, random's right there. And here we have our gallery, and it's ready to go. So now, another way to upload photos, if you only have a few photos or maybe a single photo that you want to add, you can go back to add a gallery / images, and you can use the upload images page. Now you can also create a new gallery like before, but here we don't have to because we're just going to add it to our new random gallery. So we'll choose the gallery that we want, and then we'll select the files that we want to add. So we'll select a new picture here. Just going to use a little image that I had in my downloads folder. We'll hit open. And you can add multiple images here, but we'll just upload that one. It's fairly quick because it's quite small. But now if we go and view the site and go to our random gallery or album, and then into the gallery, we'll see our new images, or our new image that we just uploaded. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching this video, and check out tallduck.com.